Before it becomes incense or essential oil, gum Damar begins its journey deep in the tropical forests of Indonesia. Local harvesters tap Damar trees by hand. No machines, no chemicals, just generations of skill passed down through time. Once dried, Damar is sorted by clarity, color, and size. Buyers often request specific grades for incense or aromatherapy. From incense sticks in India to oil blends in Europe, Indonesian gum Damar adds a signature aroma and purity that synthetic materials can't match. Our gum Damar is sustainably sourced, export-ready, and sorted with care. We ship worldwide, from forest to fragrance, with trust.